Okay, today we're replacing the brake fluid reservoir because it has a crack. I think what we have to do is remove that pin. Where is it? Right there. Remove that so we can pull it out. I think it's a torx. Feels like a T30. If it's a T30, I'll put all the tools that I use down in the description. First thing I need to do is open it, empty it out. I'll remove this screen right now. Empty it out. Put some rags under here so I catch whatever residue fluid I don't have a mess, and then replace it. There you have it, brand new. Since we broke the sensor, we're gonna get a new sensor. We're gonna leave it like this for now. Get a new sensor, but there it goes, man. What we gotta do is remove that bolt. There's something to point at it. What you gotta do is remove this bolt. A T25 torx, and empty the container and pull it out. That is all. All right, man, hopefully that helps you guys. Comment down below to see what you guys like about it. If you guys don't like it, any questions, I'll try to get back to you guys. All right, man, peace.